Hi guys, for today's video, we're going to make a small pizza. So if you want to know how I make this small pizza, please continue watch my video. This is Helen more, and please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. Want to know how I make this small pizza? Let's go! So the ingredients, we need bell pepper. I have here yellow, green, and red. We also need pizza sauce. You can make this at home or you can buy. We also need small hot dogs. I cut them into small pieces. Shredded mozzarella. And of course, we need the dough. So next step, we're going to put our dough here and then flatten them. So you're going to put a little bit of flour so that the dough will not going to stick. So here is our dough. If you don't know how to make this, you can watch my other video, the latest one. You can watch and see how I make this dough. Then next, we're going to use this to flatten the dough. So after we flatten our dough, we're going to use a glass. See this one? We're going to put it here. Okay, then move like that. Then get this one. Then we need this one because we're going to cook it in the oven. So we're going to add a little of cooking oil here. Then use a tissue to spread it. Not too much oil. If it's too much, remove it. So this time we're going to get this one slowly so that it will not be broken. Then put it here. Then make the rest of the dough. So now I have formed the dough into circles, small circles. Now we put our pizza sauce on each. Then we put cheese on the top on each pizza. So now I have already put all the cheese on it. So we will put some bell pepper to make it colorful. If you have olives, you can also put some olives on it. Then the hot dogs. So now I have already done put all the ingredients on the top. So now we are ready to put them on the oven. So you're going to switch on the oven to 160 degree down. Then we put the pizza inside and leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. Then this time we're going to switch on also the top, the oven. So after 30 minutes, we'll see our pizza. So as you can see, it's all done. So let's go and serve. So now our small pizza is done. So thank you guys for watching, and God bless us all and hope you like it. Bye bye.